Hello again, ladies. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Today our video is going to be all about purple. So purple meaning purple shampoos and different purple things that us ladies kind of use to keep our hair looking gray, silver, and if we really want it to look purple, we can just do that by leaving product in our hair longer than normal, if you will. So anyway, I have some fun things to share with you today. I'd like to start with probably this is the one I started with when I left the salon, and it's a shampoo and it's a conditioner. It's called Gem Lights. This is one of my favorites. I do find, and I also now have the conditioner. The two together are wonderful. I find that it's actually not drying to the hair. So, but at the same time, I still don't like to use a purple shampoo every time because it's then depositing a little bit too much purple for my taste. So anyways, again, Gem Lights. This is a color wash and it's purple, and the conditioner is wonderful. Very, very hydrating to the hair. A little bit heavy, but again, great conditioner. Now ladies, please remember, as I've said before, what works for me may not work for you. I'm just giving you an idea of some of the things that I've used that I've found have worked better for me. Same line as in Celeb. This is Viral. These you can tell are sample sizes. I wanted to try it out before I made the commitment to buy big bottles. So here we have a shampoo. It is, oh, I should have done this with the other one just so you ladies can know. For those of you that don't know, this is a purple shampoo. And as is the Gem Lights, that is also a purple shampoo. Now the conditioner to the Viral, which is the shampoo I put on my hand, this is the matching set. This is Viral, this is conditioner. I like this because it's not purple, it's actually silver, which I really like what that does to my hair. It kind of like overall tones things down. So that's kind of fun. So far, that's probably one of the funnest things. So there's that. Now, I'll go into another product in a minute, but one thing I want to say right now is because we don't shampoo our hair with purple shampoo every time we shampoo, we need to use something different in between. While I don't have hard water anymore, I'm still just going through this one, but if you do, this is Malibu Sea. This is Hard Water Wellness. This shampoo, I've been using this stuff for a little while too. Before I started using it before I actually got my shower filter. This is a nice product. It just clarifies the hair. So if again, this is just something that works for me. There's so much fun stuff out there. I love the Redken lines. There's just a lot of lines. Joico's a great line too that I like. So I'm using this right now in between purple shampoos. And then my second favorite to the Gem Lights is Matrix So Silver. This is also very purple. So this one deposits a lot of color for me. A lot of color. Typically we all kind of we're developing our own habits as to how long we leave them in our hair. Anywhere from 1 minute to 5 minutes. For really intense, you can leave it in there for 10 minutes and you're going to get some pretty intense purple out of that shampoo. Now I have some treatments. One in particular that I've used it once because you can only use it every 3 weeks, and I got it about a month ago. This is Schwarzkopf, and it is a silver white brightener. So this actually brightens the hair, whitener actually. So it's really cool. I'm going to do a video for you guys specifically of before and after with this product, because this is more on the lavender side, not a deep purple. You couldn't actually. It's a lightweight product. It's kind of on the lavender side. You wouldn't see it if I showed it to you. So, but that's a treatment, and again, you can only use it every 3 weeks. So I'm going to share that one eventually with you all. So you can do a treatment every now and then that brightens our silver hair. And then this is, if you remember my talking about the lady I ran into at Disneyland, this was her secret. Kuhn. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but this is an ultimate blonde whitening. It says naturalizing blonde spray. Neutralizing, I'm sorry, blonde spray. Ultimate blonde. This also is a very purple product that actually stains my, it stains, it's very purple. But this is a great treatment, again, very, very lightweight. What this actually does, this is a treatment you use in your hair when it's wet and where you have some yellow spots, yellow going on. You can just put a little bit of, you use it very, very lightly. Just give it a little spray into your hair, and it's purple, and it just kind of covers up that yellow a little bit. So it's a great product. You have to be very careful with it. Use it very sparingly, and that'll be a good, a night out. You really want your hair to look great. You want it really bright. It's a great product to use in that way. So ladies, that is, I'm trying to keep my videos short as to keep your attention so I don't lose you with a lot of, jibber jabber in between like that was. So anyways, ladies, if you could, hit that subscribe button, and everything I shared with you today, I'll put in a description box for you so you can know what products they are exactly, and you don't have to write them down on a piece of paper. So anyways, ladies, thank you so much for watching. Next video coming up is hot stuff. All right, can't wait to talk to you about that. Looking forward to seeing any comments. Again, I'm here to help you ladies get through this process of going gray, keeping it gray, keep our gray hip, rock it. Let's do this together. See you soon. Bye.